A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Hi, this is Pam from Bamagirl Cruise and Travel Addict. I'm back in Miami for a cruise that's leaving tomorrow. I'm also back at the Doubletree Grand, and I wanted to show you this room. It's a little different than the one I was assigned last time. This time it appears to be a handicap accessible room. So let's take a look around. As you enter the room, on the left, there's a double closet. There's an ironing board, hangers, luggage rack, more hangers, push button safe, and some extra bedding. This room does have a sleeper sofa. And then you have the little hospitality area. There's a microwave, coffee maker. I picked up the free waters down at check-in along with the Doubletree cookies. There's some glassware and a small refrigerator. And then here's the vanity right outside the restroom, just your standard vanity. They do stock some body lotion, makeup wipes. It looks like a vanity kit with some Q-tips and the emery board and some cotton balls, shower cap, and the Crabtree soap over here along with a box of tissues. The restroom, it has a bidet and a toilet, and then grab bars if you should need those. The last room I had a sink over in this area, so this room just gives you a little extra space by not having that. Here's the shower. It's got the shower, handheld shower massage if you should need that, and a shower stool. And then the shampoo that's stocked in here, it looks like Zero brand shampoo, and then the conditioner and body wash is the Crabtree brand. And that's about it for the tour of the restroom. And then we'll go into the main part of the room. There is a desk with a task chair and a large TV with a chest of drawers, the sleeper sofa, and a large mirror hanging over. And then this is a bayfront room, so you do have a view of, you can see the Port of Miami over in the distance. The cruise ships have not left yet. It's about 3:30, and those usually start leaving around 4, so you can see several of them over there in the distance. There's a storm headed in, so it's going to start raining here in a minute. Then you have the sleeping area. You have a little nightstand on each side of the bed. It's a king-size bed with a footstool and cushion at the end of the bed. And on the left-hand side, it's exactly the same. There are outlets built into the lamp, but there are no the charging solutions, or the USBs are over here on the clock in this room, along with 2 more outlets. You have a nice little sitting area here with a chair, ottoman, and a table. This is a connecting room, so don't know how much noise I will hear from that. The balcony, however, appears to be a little bit larger than the Grand Suite, and it was a rather small balcony. This one has 2 chairs, and we'll just take a step out here. Take a look around. And you can see the length of the balcony. So you have plenty of room out here. Looks like I'm right above the Casablanca restaurant, which is down here with a blue awning. My room last time was to the right of this location.